it's Sasa Picante and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I wash and detail my 4Runner after I go off-road. I'm sorry I do not have a before wash picture of the 4Runner. The idea to record the video came up a few minutes after I started rinsing the truck. I'm planning on doing more car wash videos like this since I love to wash and detail my cars. And I will make sure to include a before wash picture next time around. So stay tuned for more car detailing like this. So step one in the process, I first start by rinsing the truck to remove dirt and mud on the tires, mud flaps, the inside of the rims, and I'll do the same thing obviously for both sides. The doors also. Step 2, this is a personal preference, but before I start scrubbing, I like to pre-wash the truck with some high pressure soapy water. The combination of high pressure and soap help clear and soften hard mud splash, making it easier to wash off. As you already imagine, is the wash. I recommend a soft bristle brush to avoid any scratches on the car's surface. The one from the car wash is a bit too soft, but I just dealt with what I had at the moment. I don't know about you, but I like to lift my windshield wipers while scrubbing the windshield. I learned to do that the hard way. To step 4, rinse and dry. So we will be rinsing and drying the truck, drying especially with 2 cotton towels. Some will argue with me on this and will recommend a microfiber towel. Others may also recommend to use a leaf blower to save time. I have tried it all, but this is the method that I always return to. So I use 2 towels, one to remove the excess water and the second one to dry it completely. On to step 5. So I use Chemical Guy Hydro Slick Ceramic Coating. I've never used it before, so I thought I would give it a try today. By the way, this is not sponsored. I paid full price for all the product I'm using. It would be sweet to be sponsored by Chemical Guys though. So 4 to 5 dabs on this side of a microfiber towel is enough. For the tires, no better choice than Black Magic Tire Wet Gel. This is my go-to shine product. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I like to apply the gel in a clockwise motion. There is no particular way to apply the gel. This is just the way I like to do it. guys, I'm testing another Chemical Guys product called Inner Clean. First impression is pretty good, easy to apply. It removes dust, particles, fingerprints, Chick-fil-A sauce marks, everything on the infotainment. You just remove everything right up, and it has a pretty neutral smell. And there you have it, guys. This is how I clean my 4Runner after hitting the trails. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe for more to come. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.